y'all, it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today we have a fun video for you. We are going to go over how to do a simple trace, which is making your own SVG, like using a picture and tracing it out to be able to make a shirt or sign or whatever in your Cricut design space. Now, give me a moment and I will show you how to do it all on the computer. Okay, so today we're going to go over the trace feature in Cricut Design Space. So the first thing we're going to want to do is find our image that we are going to want to trace out. So I think I want to do an Eeyore coloring book page. So let's go to images, and this is one of the easiest ways to be able to find characters if you are looking for a specific character. So we're going to go to that Eeyore design right there. We're going to click Save Link As. Oh, that's not. We want to click Save Picture As, or Save Image As. There we go. Okay, now we're just going to do this as a simple outline only image. So we are going to now go to our Cricut Design Space, and you go to Upload, and then we're going to go to Browse. Okay. There we go for the Eeyore page. Now we're going to go to Simple Image and click Continue. Now this is the easy part. This is how we get rid of the background color and the center, so that way we know what to tell the machine to cut. So it will cut all of the black pieces. So we're just taking and deleting out all of the beigey colors. There we go. Now we can click Continue, and that shows you what is going to cut. So you can either save it as a print and cut or as a cut image. Now click Save. There we go. Now we can take and insert that image into Cricut Design Space. And as you can see, we have Eeyore's face now to add to either a shirt, sign, however you want to do it. Now remember, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to check us out on all of our social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, as well as my second channel, which is where I do all things makeup and all things Disney, which is just Betsy Gocher. But I guess that's it, and we'll see y'all on Friday. Bye.